In this video, we will demonstrate the result of the workflow we created in the previous two videos. To begin, Karen submits a purchase request using her company's JotForm, requesting 3 new MacBooks for new hires on her team. This sends an email to Jeff, her supervisor, who reassigns it to Stephanie, asking her to review the request as soon as possible. Stephanie receives the request and makes a note to move forward with procurement. A request is created in the Finance Department's Slack channel with the details of the purchase so they can move forward with it. However, they require final approval from the head of procurement, Matt, who approves the request and reassigns it back to the Finance channel for procurement. Now that final approval has been given, the final purchase can be made. The finance team receives Matt's message in Slack. Finally, Karen receives an email that her request has been approved, along with the history of the entire workflow. Add workflow to your JotForms today with Workflow for JotForm, powered by ProcessMaker.